Iguana International. Da-da-da. Hello and welcome to another Iguana International video. Today we are going to be playing The Crew, calling all units. Enjoy it, like and subscribe. Hello, people of Earth. Okay, so I'm driving, I'm getting on the road. Spin! Okay, and we're on our way. Let's see, where do I want to go? I guess I'll just follow the blue line. I don't really know where it's leading. But, that's life, I guess. Follow where the road takes you. Okay. There is no nitro in full stock vehicle. Oh, well, I want to switch my car. Let's see. These are all full stock. Full stock. I got my police car, but that's no good. I got these cars. Ooh! I own that car? Dang, I'm gonna drive that thing. That's awesome. I didn't know I owned that. Dude, this looks sick. This looks like a Lambo. Let's go. We're going. You know, this thing isn't that good. My other car's better than this, and it's a Ford Mustang. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go to my map. Yeah, Monster Tuner. I think that's where I want to go. Set a waypoint, and we're on our way. Okay. I don't like this car. But it looks cool, so I guess I'll keep driving it. I don't like this train. I'm gonna smash into this train. Okay, that train smashed into me instead. That works. Oh, this is also a full stock? Dang. Man, I got so many full stock vehicles. Well, I guess that's life. Off-roading! Yep, here we are at the Monster Tuner. Let's go. Brake. Okay. Enter the Monster Tuner place. Skip movie. Okay. Yep, so we're going in. Ooh, tuner. Dang, this car looks good. Oh, there's no monster spec? Please select another vehicle. I don't want to buy any more vehicles, so I guess I'm just going to, leave. Skip movie. And we're off again. So, yeah. Okay, I guess I will pick another car then. So, bye-bye super cool Lambo. And I will make that's another cool car. I don't know these cars. When did I get these cars? I don't even know, man. I don't even know. TikTok. What shall I get with the hideaway pet? Blah, 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 blah. Yeah. So this one, I think I'm going to turn into a monster truck. But first, I'm going to smash into this car, because I don't like this car. Yeah, take that. Run, you little thing. Okay. Enter the Monster Tuner place. Skip movie. Haha, take that movie. So, I'm going to get a monster kit. I'm going to choose the starter kit. Oh, look, it's going to look really cool. Boom! Bam! Pow! Monster! Monster car purchased. Dun, dun, dun. Dang, that looks cool. Okay. I guess I'm going to go do things with it. Smashing. Monster cars are good for smashing. Okay. Let's do this. Ooh, look at the monster truck. Smash, pull, smash, pull, smash, pull. Nitro. Ow. That hurt my feelings. That hurt my feelings very much. Very much hurt. This car should be able to break through, like, that stone wall. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna switch cars. Yes, my bike. My beautiful bike. Wait, I have a bike? Oh, well, I'm gonna go drive it on these mountains. Oh, it's a full stop. Maybe I'll get it equipped for dirt or street, because it seems to handle itself pretty well on this dirt terrain. Anyway, I'm gonna take it up a mountain, because that's what I do. Look at his face. Looks so tough. It's like, huh. I'm ready to face God. Merp! Sorry, just wanted to do that. There is no nitro on full stop. Keep forgetting. Okay, time to go up the mountain and see what this baby can do. Through the sand! Up the mountains! Don't hit the rocks! Oh, wait, don't hit the rocks. Okay, avoided the rocks. Nice. How am I going to avoid the rocks, man? I guess I'll just plow through them. To victory and honor for all! Please land this. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh! I landed it! I landed it! Oh my god! Okay, that was awesome. If you think that's awesome, subscribe and like and just do that even if you didn't think it was awesome. Whee! Don't fail. Don't fail. Okay. That was good. Ooh. Was that a stoppie, I think? Yeah. That was like a go to the side, stoppie sort of thing. I'm gonna do a wheelie. Wheelie. Too much wheelie. Too much wheel. Okay, got it. Too much wheel. Okay. Over the dirt terrain. Oh, look at the bird. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Nice bird. Good birdie. Let's see if there's a tuner. Drift tuner, I don't want that. Drift tuner, New York, PvP. That's a Dallas drift trial. None of this stuff is what I want. I want a tuner, man. Drift tuner. Can I get, is there any other type of tuner? Street? Come on, man. Street. That's my HQ. Street tuner. Got him. Okay, I'm gonna, waypoint or fast travel? Fast travel. You know, I think I'm just gonna teleport because I took driver's ed in a Magic Wizarding Academy. Driver's ed with wizarding. It's drive warts, if you've heard of that. Yeah, real thing, man. Gotta have like an IQ of like 1 billion to get in. Very tough, but I managed. Okay, can I smash through the brick wall? No, I can't. Okay, through the brick wall. Never mind. Okay, let's go to the street tuner. Got him. Enter, if you will. And we're at the tuner, a beautiful magical place filled with sunshines and daisies. Okay. Make this street. I'm gonna give it, yeah. Street bike purchased. It's a brand new vehicle. Let's go. Let's change some things. Let's change the color. Let's see. Very tough decision. Is that black? I like it black. Let's see. Turquoise. I'm colorblind. Okay. Black. Wait, that's black and the first one's black. Which one's blacker? think the first one's blacker. I think I may get that. Yeah, I'm gonna get that. Okay, let's change some other things. It's updating. Let's change the seat. It's very complex. Yeah, let's go with this one. Nice. Headlights. I like the 4 one better. I'm gonna get that. Okay. Rims. I need cool rims. Rims are like the most important part of the car. Okay, let's exit. See what this bad boy can do. Let's go. It's loading. It's loading. And we're done. Okay, let's go. Boom, boom. This thing, I like this thing so far. It's very nice. Wheelie, too much wheelie. Too much wheelie. Feel like I'm gonna do a lot of too much wheelie in these next couple of minutes. Through the fence! Or not. Not through the fence. Okay. We've established that. Not through the fence. You people want to mess with me? You think you're better than me? Yeah. Drop your purse and run away. You too, mister. You think you're better than me? Just let me back up my vehicle. Yeah. Run. Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah. That's what I thought, man. Okay. I just killed myself, but it doesn't matter because I'm better than you. Okay. Excuse me. Crazy man coming through. Just... Woo! It's nice to feel the open air again. Through the... Nope, not through the fences. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Escape from this little quarter. I haven't escaped. I have yet to escape. Why are there bells in the sky? I guess we'll figure that out later. Let us drive to the land of infinity and beyond. Through the fence. Or not. Dude, this motorcycle could so crash through these crappy fences. Honestly. Ow. Sorry about your car, mister. It looks nice, but not as nice as my bike. My bike is better. Ooh, I just sent that trash can flying. Poor trash can. This thing does its turns pretty well. Me likey. Yeah, move. Man, why? You know, when I'm gonna be in, if I ever like accidentally hit someone with a car, I'm gonna be like, well, it wouldn't have happened if you weren't standing there. Ha, ha, ha. Hardy har. Ha. Okay. Take the jump. Yes. Well, I didn't get over the brick wall, which was my intention, but still, I made a jump. Which was nice. Okay. Let's see. I only have one police vehicle, and it really is bad, so I'm just gonna continue riding on my bike. Maybe, possibly. Where are we going? Where are we going? Drift trial. Maybe I want to buy a police car. Maybe the car dealer in Miami will have a police car, because honestly, my police car is really bad, so. Ladies and gents, we are taking a road trip to Miami. It's gonna be long, it's gonna be boring, and you're gonna subscribe. Okay, turn left, right, I know. My GPS is really, really bad. Like, the GPS system in this game is really bad. Oh, it's getting dark. Why aren't my headlights on? The headlights in this game are also bad. But the game is overall fun. Let's go. Oh, almost hit the train. Darn it. I wanted to hit the train. That would have been fun. Make the turn. I had to slow down for the turn, but still, I made the turn without crashing, which is a first for me. Oh, through the cone, through the cone. Okay, this is nice. And wrong side of the road, wrong side of the road. Okay. You know, I think I'm just gonna take the train. You know, that'd be nice. Okay, so let's... Sadly, this will be where we have to end. I hope you loved the video. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you later.